All right, folks. Feeling a little bit less enthusiastic than I was a few minutes ago because I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. And now I am, I guess. So, for the second time, I am freshly back from kickboxing. I guess I shouldn't be distracted. Feeling pretty good. Highly recommended. Kickboxing is a hell of a workout. So feeling pretty good. Feeling pretty hungry. So I think today we're gonna go the road more traveled and go with, this is lunch we're talking about. It's nothing too heavy, right? We're gonna go with a, wait for it, salad. And we're gonna have some spinach and some braised chicken. Or fuck, braised? What am I talking about? It's just like cooked chicken. I'm not braising anything. Pan fried, I guess. Chicken, avocado, peanuts and walnuts, tomato, cucumber, carrot. And then special sauce, which I'll have to make a video about, a recipe for you later, you folks later, because it's so good. But yeah, welcome to Spatchelor Batchula, and let's get cooking. Alright folks, so we've cut up most of our vegetables thus far, but I'm preparing, now actually another thing, that's a lot of onion in here, but whatever. So, that thing that I mentioned, the pickled bracciole, that's this guy. I don't know what they are, they're like onions kind of, but I pickled them. I'm pretty good. Did another batch of pickles though. I didn't do jack shit. Like, I'm really curious about why that batch turned out like it did. I also cut this. Whatever. So once we get this tomato cut up, we're gonna start grilling or sauteing or frying or cooking. There we go. That's the word. Cooking the chicken. And once that's all done and dusted, throw it in this fucking salad, mix it up with some salt and pepper, and get it in my gullet. Spatchelor Batchula. That's what we do here. So, also, this video is not brought to you by Asahi's Dry Zero non-alcoholic beer, but I am drinking it while I'm cooking, so just for your knowledge. For your health. Man, these are good. Pickling your own stuff is a really good hobby to have. There's some awesome flavors that you otherwise would never have access to. Highly recommend it. Let's get cooking. Alright, so just threw the chicken, which I think is done. Yes. I'm quite good. I think down there, so let's get a little bit of olive oil in here. I recently ran out of rock salt and black peppers. So I've got to rely on shitty stuff. But that's salt and pepper. I like spicy things, so a little bit of, ooh, do I want to use that? Let's use the mystery sauce. This is just extremely spicy. Get that in there a little bit, goes a long way. I'm gonna throw some lemon on there too. I've got an old lemon. The seeds out there. Honestly, I don't understand why salads aren't like a bigger part of a lot of people's diets. Because, like, if you make it a wussy salad, then it's going to be, like, not very good. But if you just, like, throw a bunch of delicious shit together and then eat it, like, that is also a salad, which is what we have done here. Now, this is the stuff. This is my homemade tzatziki sauce, which I've been putting on everything. It is phenomenal and belongs everywhere. I can just eat it by itself. I'm gonna make more. I'll probably record that too. God, that's good. So fucking good. Long story behind that one. But that is where another time. Alright, so let's mix this up and see if it lives up to my expectations. Such a big fucking, way too much. See if I can eat all of it. Alright, I think that's probably good. Cheers, folks.